Hi there. Are you struggling with the phone Chinese tones? Are you overwhelmed by thousands of complex characters? Are you tired of memorizing boring textbook phrases? Hi, don't worry. Every fluent Chinese speaker starts with just 你好 and 谢谢, step by step. If you're ready to begin, I will help you fall in love with Chinese and speak naturally and easily. 我是红莲，我的英文名字是 Lena。我拥有国际中文教师证书 CTC 所和普通话二甲证书，我有5年的教学经验。我来自山东，在中国的北方，山东省，山东也是孔子的故乡。在这5年里，我帮助了很多成人和留学生通过了 HSK 考试，纠正了他们的发音，提高了他们的中文水平。I'm a cheerful, patient, and easygoing. In my class, learning Chinese is just like chatting. You will pick up knowledge naturally, and I will teach Chinese in real-life situations. For kids, I mainly use the TPR teaching method. For adults, we learn through relaxed and cultural conversations. I mainly teach HSK courses, daily oral Chinese and business Chinese. I use an easy, fun, and highly accessible way to help you master Chinese. Whether you are a beginner, an intermediate, or advanced learner, whether you want to pass exams, travel in China, or do business, I teach practical, real-life Chinese, not just textbook content. I design 100% personalized lessons just for you to help you achieve your goals. Come and join my class. Looking forward to meet you. Bye.